Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the package identity and why Android refuses to install. The system blocks mismatched signatures. Use ADB or an app manager to read the package name, then extract the signing certificate fingerprint and compare it to the installed app. Once you confirm a signature mismatch, make a backup of user data. This preserves settings and files. Make sure to note version codes and build variants, so later steps replace the correct package without accidental data loss. Once done, decide whether to match signatures or remove the conflict. If you have the identically signed APK, install it with a db install r to replace while keeping data. If the installed package is a system app with different signing, remove user updates or uninstall the conflicting package via a db shell pm uninstall user 0, then install the desired APK. Make sure to reboot between major changes. Reboot clears package caches and reduces residual conflicts before final install attempts. Finish by rebooting and attempting installation. If it still fails, inspect a db logcat for package manager errors to know why. If the log shows signature mismatch, rebuild the APK using the original key store or resign both apps with the same key. This is why signing matters. If you can't sign, uninstall the conflicting package fully and reinstall. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, restore from the backup you made earlier and use the exact key store or the same signed build to avoid repeating the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.